Don't jump on the table. The table is for playing, not for jumping. During the women's team quarterfinal at the World Team Championships on May 8th, Team Romania defeated Team France 3-1 in an emotional victory. After the win, several Romanian players celebrated by jumping onto the table. Of course, celebrating a big victory is normal in sports. The passion, the emotion, and the happiness are part of table tennis. But players must also respect the equipment and the work of the event organizers. When players jump on the table, it can damage the table surface, affect the cables underneath, and create technical problems. After this match, the ITTF technical team had to stop and carefully inspect the table and equipment. New adjustment and recalibration were needed before the next match could begin properly. A table tennis table is designed for playing, not for jumping or standing on. Professional players should set a good example for young fans and future generation of athletes. Celebrate the victory, celebrate with your teammates, celebrate with the fans, but please don't jump on the table.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.